Your Mac's slowing down, apps take forever, and you're one spinning beach ball away from losing it. Now, macOS does come with a built-in cleaner called Optimized Storage, but it barely scratches the surface. It can suggest moving files to iCloud and emptying your trash, but that's about it. The real problem is that not all third-party Mac cleaners are created equal. Some barely remove a few cache files, while others add so many background processes that they slow your system down even more. Avira, one of the most well-rounded free Mac cleaners that you can download. When you launch the app, the first thing you'll see is the Smart Scan. And this is gonna check three key areas, which are security, privacy, and performance, all in one go. After the quick scan, you'll get a summary of results showing you things like tracking cookies, unmonitored emails, and how much space it can free up. You can click into the details to see what it's removing, stuff like cache files, logs, and temporary data, and then press Fix Issues to clean them out instantly. It's simple, clear, and fast, making it ideal for anyone who doesn't want to babysit their cleanup tool. Avira also includes a separate junk cleaner, which dives deeper into your system to clear out unused files. In our tests, it freed up hundreds of megabytes on a Mac that had already been cleaned manually. It also offers a startup apps manager to help improve boot speed and an uninstaller for removing old apps completely without leftover files. Beyond cleaning, Avira's antivirus engine is excellent as well. It's cloud-based, which means scans are light and don't slow down your system, but still detect threats with near perfect accuracy. You also get a basic VPN, a password manager, and privacy tools, though some features like unlimited VPN data are locked behind the paid Avira Prime plan. The interface feels modern and easy to use, and it's one of the few free tools that doesn't bombard you with constant upgrade pop-ups. If you're looking for a lightweight way to clean and protect your Mac without spending anything upfront, then Avira is the best place to start. We've included discounted links to our top picks down in the description box below, so be sure to check those offers out while they're live. And if you've used any of these cleaners yourself, then tell us down in the comments how they worked out for you. But as always, thank you so much for watching Safety Detectives and keeping your Mac clean and your data safe, and we'll see you in the next video.